Hey guys, Eli here. In today's training, I want to talk about how to deal with negative comments on your Facebook ads. This is really important and it's an area that I see a lot of beginners neglect when they're just starting out. So, how do we deal with negative comments that appear on our Facebook ads? Stay tuned. You're going to find out the best way to do it. So, what is the problem? The problem is people are leaving negative comments on your ads. Naturally, when you start running ads, you're going to get likes, shares, and comments. But unfortunately, not all of these comments will be positive. Negative comments, as a result, will cause less people or traffic to come to your store, and as a result, your store will have less traffic, your click-through rate will be lower, and your conversion rate will be lower as well. Negative comments. There's so many reasons why people can leave negative comments on your ads. Just a few of them. Somebody's commenting about maybe they've had a bad experience with your customer service. Maybe you're shipping from AliExpress. That 30-day shipping has annoyed your customers and they're complaining about those extended shipping times on your ads. Maybe they're calling your brand a scam. Maybe they're calling it out for being a drop shipping store. Maybe they're stating that your product can be found and is sold cheaper on sites like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Wish. Maybe they've even had a negative experience. And this is something that I get quite a bit from a competitor. Maybe a competitor or somebody has sold this product in the past that you're trying to sell, and they have, not fulfilled their orders, or they've not dealt with customer service emails. As a result, the customers have been burned by a competitor. Okay, so maybe they think that you are that competitor and they're saying, oh, this store scammed me, when in fact, it was a completely different store, one of your competitors, and they just think it's you and they're writing that comment on your ad. Okay, there's so many more reasons that people can write negative comments on your ads. But trust me, if it hasn't happened, it will happen. And if it is happening, regardless, you guys need to know exactly the best way, the way that I recommend to deal with negative comments, okay? Now, it's important that you are dealing with these negative comments in the best way, the way that means that you aren't wasting all of your time, or you're not paying for your VA's time to spend all of their time, hiding comments as well. So how to do this the best way, the fastest way, the most automated way possible. Step one is to use leverage, okay? Leverage is my favorite word. Facebook allows you to moderate comments on your ads. You're able to create a list of negative keywords, so when somebody actually comes in and comments and uses one of those keywords, for example, scam, their comment will be flagged, it will be detected by Facebook, and Facebook will automatically hide that comment, okay? So that's incredibly powerful. You can create an endless list of keywords that if somebody comments that keyword on your ad, Facebook will automatically pick it up and hide it straight away, so nobody else can see it. If it's hidden, it means that person's friends and everyone on their friends list will be able to see that comment, but nobody else will be able to see that comment, okay? So it's super powerful. So how you do this? So you access the page moderation list by going to your Facebook business page, into the settings, and then to its general, and then page moderation. It's about halfway down, okay? That's where you're going to find it. Now, here is some keywords that you should block, okay? I'm not going to go through all of them. You guys can pause this video, take a screenshot, whatever it is you want to do. Here's some keywords that I use. For example, some of them: waiting, shipped, shipped from, where's it made, expensive, red dot, AliExpress, China, months, weeks, years, update, virus. We want to be talking about COVID-19 right now. Ship, rip off, do not buy, doesn't work. Hopefully you guys get the idea. AliExpress, quality, no reply, customer service. It's better, I've found, to overdo this list because you can always unhide comments. I would much rather unhide a comment than not have an extensive list and be constantly going out there trying to find comments that haven't been hidden. Okay, so these are some keywords that I use that I recommend you should use. Step 2 is have your virtual assistant, or it is something that you can do yourself, manually then go through the comments in your ads to make sure that all negative comments have been hidden, because like I said, it can decrease your conversion rate, okay? Make sure that any negative comments are hidden. If you notice, somebody has put a negative comment on your ad and it's not a keyword, like obviously if it's not hidden, then they haven't used any keywords. So what you need to do then is try and work out a keyword that they've used and just continue to add it to your list. So this is something that you can get your VA to do. Recommend getting them to do it every single day, going through your ad comments, hiding comments that are negative. You can unhide comments that have been hidden by accident and they're not actually negative comments, and then continue to add to that list so it just builds and builds and builds. And eventually you'll get to the point where your VA is barely spending any time at all on this task, because that list is so precise that any kind of negative word will get automatically flagged and hidden by Facebook. So that's how you stop your conversion rate being decreased. But while your VA is in there, they should then be responding with very much personalized messages to normal questions and comments, okay? If somebody comments, what's the size of this product? Your VA or yourself, if you're doing it, should be doing a very personalized message where it's, hi, Stephanie, thank you for reaching out. The size of this product is, being very polite and just being very personalized, so that person knows that it's not an automatic response, and that will increase your conversion rate. Not only are we avoiding a decrease in our conversion rate by having all of these negative comments, we're also increasing our conversion rate by personally replying to real questions. This is what you should not do. So there's two main things. Is you shouldn't just ignore the comments. Don't just leave them, forget about them, because it is a thing, okay? People do read the comments, and if those comments are negative, you will lose customers. And do not delete the comments. This is something I see a lot of people doing. Do not delete them. If you delete comments, Facebook knows, and Facebook doesn't like it, okay? It will actually hurt the optimization of your ad and the performance of your ad as well. Always hide, never delete. And so in summary, guys, use the Facebook keyword moderation tool to leverage your time, and then use your VA to double check your comments and continually add to that list. And over time, that list will be massive. So moving forward, if you haven't already, make sure you join the Facebook group. Link is in the description below. Check out the Quick Start Pack. It's designed to be the fastest and easiest way that I can possibly give you to save you a ton of time, energy, and money when you're just getting started with your e-commerce business. Definitely check that out if you haven't. And if you're looking for any one-on-one help in your business, there's a link below as well to schedule a call with me. We can get on the phone, have a very friendly chat about your business, and see if maybe we can work together to move your business forward. That's it from this video, guys. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Make sure you're hiding those comments, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.